Hello everyone, Namaste, and a warm welcome to you all. I once read that to become an artist, you don't need the best supplies, you just need a start. Today I'm putting that to the test. I have a simple sheet of cartridge paper, which probably was not even made for acrylics, and a Pinterest reference in my mind. Often we don't start because we are afraid the paper will be ruined or the portrait won't look right. But the truth is, ruining the paper is the very first step of learning. Today I'm using only primary colors: yellow, blue, red, and an extra white. Looking at them, you might wonder, how will these colors create the portrait's complex skin tone? But the true beauty of art lies within limits. When you have fewer options, your mind works harder, mixing every shade repeatedly, adding a bit more red, then maybe neutralizing it with a little blue. I know the process is a bit frustrating, but that is what the real learning looks like. If I were chasing perfection, I would probably go out and buy a 24 color set, but that would only waste my time and money. But improvement comes from these very limitations. I feel perfection is an illusion that only exists on social media. In real life, and especially on this paper, the strokes are raw and the blending takes real effort. But does this portrait need to look 100% like Manisha? Well, not really. If this is even 1% better than my last painting, then my job is done. Improvement does not mean painting flawlessly. It means recognizing your mistakes and learning to move forward with them. It's okay if it's messy. It's okay if it's just good enough. Finishing this painting made me realize that art teaches us patience. Acrylic on cartridge paper have their own unique texture and their own stubbornness too. I let go of perfection and just enjoyed the process. Perhaps that's why this portrait feels better to me than my older work. It does not have the shine of perfection, but it definitely has the reality of learning. If you're waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect supplies to start, well then don't. Just grab whatever you have, even if it's just four colors and a dream. The magic is in the mess. And look at the coincidence. Just as I'm talking to you about moving away from perfection and toward improvement, I have made my very first voiceover video. Initially, I was overthinking everything, wanting that perfect voice, music, lighting, etc. But instead, I just recorded it, did some basic editing, and uploaded it. To be honest, I was very nervous before posting it. If I had stayed stuck trying to make it perfect, it probably would have taken me weeks or even months, especially since I'm still a beginner at video editing. But I pushed those thoughts aside and just went for it. Honestly, it is a great decision, even if there won't be an immediate response. If this journey resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and join our little art community. Don't forget to like and comment below with what you're currently working on. I would love to hear your stories. Turn on the bell icon so we can keep creating together every week. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and take care. Bye bye.